Well, in the continued chase for the code 42, I thought I had checked this, and I have not checked this disconnect to set the timing. So I see tape, so I'm a little suspicious. So I'm going to get that off of there and have a look and see what we got. Okay, so I've got this off, this port, this EST wire. It looks pretty good to me. But this is a little odd. I'm not sure why that has been taped like that, or if these connectors go bad. But anyway, what I'm going to do is make sure everything's clean, spray some contact cleaner in there, put it back on. I guess I'll tape it back up and then we'll see what happens. Okay, so everything's clean there, the connections, and I taped it back up how it was. I suspect that must have been a weak point. Maybe it fell off. I don't know how the hell it could, but anyway, the only other suspicion I have is this module here, and I'll have to look at the manual and see what that is. And maybe that breaks down over time. These are old cars, so anyway, I'm going to start it up. I'm very, very skeptical. I have no confidence this is it, but you never know, so we'll try it. So here goes nothing, and I'm sure it's probably nothing, but you never know if you don't try. Yep, there it is. Now that seemed to go out after it came on and then came back on, so maybe it's a different code. I'm going to check and find out. I have the extended version of the tester because I'm old. This way I don't have to crawl as far. There we go. So let's see what we got. So 312s is your ECM. There's your 312s, here comes the code. Son of a bitch, eh? It's still there. The search continues. Catch you later.